Pacifica, Santa Cruz left. SF Beach to the right. And we are going, my friends, to a really unique place today with a giant load of palm trees so that they can live the California dream. And that is Oceanview Stables with my new best friend, Tony Casares. All right, if you're into horses and you're into California dreaming, this is the place you need to come. Right here. Oceanview Stables. Right on the ocean, as advertised. Right near the Olympic Golf Club where they have the big golf tournaments. Right on the Pacific Coast Highway. And they offer horse rides down to the ocean here. You can either take them yourself or get guided tours down there. And they're trying to spruce the place up a little bit and add a bunch of palm trees to get the California dream. And here we are. This is Tony Casares' place. And we'll probably meet him. Show you what this place is all about. There he is. Him filming me filming you. No, me filming him filming me. There we go. This is what you do. Yeah. Okay, there he is. There's the horse. I told you there's horses here. I didn't lie. I decided I should give you some free press.
Why not?
Yeah, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good to see you.
Thanks, buddy.
All right.
This looks good.
Tony, right here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Tony Casares. How'd you get this place? This is wild.
I know, right?
Isn't it? Like on the ocean, right across the street from the famous golf club.
Yeah.
Next thing you know, you got...
Slowly, it's got a lot of work here, but little by little, we're fixing it up.
I got on your website, Oceanview Stables. I'm going to give you some free press here.
All right.
And yeah, so you can come out here, ride horses.
Definitely.
That's wild. That's wild. So you always been a horse guy?
No, my business partner has. Zach.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Cool.
I've been primarily in the storage business, always had a passion for it, but now, finally get to
live the dream.
live the dream.
You're like a cowboy in San Francisco.
That's right. That's right.
That's awesome. All right, so they're going to add some more paradise to the paradise they already have. Little Ravinia pump. Anyway, so this sand is perfect for us to use.
Beautiful.
We don't need to buy anything. I was wondering if it was all sandy out here. Usually it is. So, all right, guys, well, there's Tony's new paradise on the truck, ready to go. We'll put this in right now. Yep, those are beautiful California waves right there. And this is the view that Tony gets every day when he goes to work. Right, Tony?
That's right. Paradise.
And so, check this out. This is the only place in San Francisco or anywhere near here you can just get on a horse and go down and pack your surfboard and go down to ride some of these waves that no one can get to. Look at this. Look at that A-frame. Look at that left. Spinning. Should have brought my board. Still going. Tony, do you surf?
I need to, no.
You should. You just ride your horse down there.
I know.
Oh, look at it over there. Spinning. Look at this next wave coming in. Right there. Watch this left. Oh, take off pedal. Jump up. Get on the rail. Nice. I can see Tony surfing out here. Anyway, yeah, so look at this beautiful coastline. And Tony said I could bring my wife out here and jump on a horse or something. We might make a video out of that.
That's right.
Anyway, so we're going to plant these trees right over here, line this place up. What's next door? Just a park?
No, it's another property, actually.
Oh, really? You have neighbors. You have competition. Look at that. The trees are going right there. We'll show you when we're kind of done. You never know what Gary's going to show up with as a bonus.
Whoa!
Yeah, pomegranates. You like pomegranates?
Pomegranates are good.
These are the best, man. They're so sweet. All right. Tree number 1. Are you excited or what?
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Woo, look at the waterfall bird. Woo. All right. Turn the camera off and concentrate. See, Tony never worked for Hollywood because the way you're supposed to do it, Tony, before you say something really cool, you say, Gary, run the camera.
Gary, run the camera.
Okay.
This is
What were you just saying?
This is the coolest truck in the world.
I love my truck. I love my truck.
I have a neighbor where I live. I'm not going to name names. He knows who he is. I parked my truck on my property for one day because I had to do some work around my property, right?
Okay.
On my property, mind you. Sends me a message. Why is this ugly truck blocking my view?
Oh my God. I'd be thanking you to park it outside my house.
Needless to say, we got into a little bit of a spat over that because that was like telling me, your daughter is the ugliest girl I've ever seen. That's how I felt when he said that. Because I love my truck. Thank you. I love people who love my truck. Yeah, that's my truck. I love my truck. Look at the look on Tony's face. Look at this. It's like, what the hell did I get myself into? This is a big tree. This is a real big tree. Oh yeah, baby. Big boy tree. Big tree. Down. You gotta land it. You gotta stick it. It's like a gymnast. You gotta stick it. Stick the landing. Watch out, because horses may bite or kick. And just like that, tree number 1 is in. What do you think, Jacob? How are we doing so far?
Pretty good, man.
So you a ranch hand out here?
Oh yeah.
You got the right kind of shoes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm head wrangler, so
Yeah,
I
so-
lead all the trail rides and I do all the.
Oh, you do
fun
the trail
stuff.
rides.
Yeah, I do the fun stuff with the
You're
horses.
the bait for all the women to come here. Is that right?
Sure, yeah.
That's the one you got to. But how come you're
Oh,
not wearing
yeah.
a cowboy hat? You got to.
I lost mine.
California. That's a cowboy school.
Ah, that's not my sweater, but yeah, it's cowboy.
Did you go there? Oh, you didn't. Well,
I
you
go to
just-
college.
You got to do the fantasy there for everybody. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah. So what's the best thing about this place?
Oh, to the beach. It's right there.
I know.
And
Huh?
I live on the property, so I open my windows and I can hear
You
the
live
ocean.
here?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah. So I live in the back and I can open my windows and hear the oceans crashing.
Wow.
The waves crashing.
So is it the kind of thing you come out here and like throw a few beers in your backpack and go down and have some wine on the beach or something like that?
Maybe after hours, but not during hours.
Not sanctioned.
No.
Behave if you come here, right?
It's a DUI. You get popped for a DUI.
Really? On a horse?
On a horse. You get a DUI on a horse. You're
Wow.
drunk. Yeah. It's a real thing.
I wonder if I get a DUI on my skateboard.
I think that's just intoxication in public.
Oh.
So you skate?
Yeah. Well, no, yeah, a little bit. Enough to get hurt sometimes. Yeah. I don't go above the coping though.
Yeah.
I don't do aerials.
Okay.
There you go. So I skate a little. There's the tree. So for tree number 2, I had to pull up a little bit, and Tony asked me if he wanted me to move his car. But what Tony didn't tell me about his car, I saw an ear, and I saw another ear, and then I saw a puppy in there. Little puppy, oh puppy, you're a cute little puppy. You're gonna watch us plant some palm trees, puppy. All right. Tree number 2 coming up. Just like that, Golden Gate Pump strikes again. Where there once was nothing, now there's paradise. All you gotta do now is tell everybody. I'm talking to Tony now. All you gotta do right now, Tony, is tell everybody, hey, just look for the palm trees. That's us right there, the palm trees. All right, we're gonna go plant some palms a little closer to the ocean. Right over there where that excavator is working. Woo! And that's what Tony's place looked like before the palm trees.
Right.
We'll have to have an after shot. You know, the only problem with doing what you're doing is when people come here, they're gonna think they're in Mexico on the ocean riding horses.
That works?
Is that okay?
That's okay.
Okay. You're gonna get confused if you come here. There's gonna be Mexican fan palms on the beautiful ocean, and I guess you just won't have to go to Mexico anymore. Dios mío. You know what Dios mío means? Dios mío is, oh my dog. There's a lot of dogs. Hey, look. Look. Oops, sorry. Look. There's more coming. These people have a lot of dogs. Maybe they're professional dog walkers. I think if you're a professional dog walker, this is the place to come. So just keep that in mind. These dogs get along with. horses. Tony, remember what I said about me having to turn the camera on before you say cool stuff?
That's right.
What did you just say?
Shit, I don't remember.
You asked me a question about getting this tree over here.
Oh yeah. Do you think will that crane reach all the way over here? Will your big nice truck?
What did you just say about my... Did you think I would have a truck that wouldn't reach all the way over here? This is the best truck ever. It'll absolutely reach over here. Here we go. We're going to show them. Let's show them right now. Come on, let's turn this thing around. Drop it over there. No problem it'll make it over there. No problem whatsoever. Just got to straighten it out a little bit. Look, next time you go to Hawaii from San Francisco in a plane like that, you can look down and see Tony's place. Or the next time you take a cruise to Mexico from San Francisco, just look over and you'll see Tony's place. See my palm trees. All right, let's go. I think we're gonna reach all the way over there. For show. I got enough stick for that. It's getting there, it's getting there. It's getting closer. It's getting closer. You just like give Tony a little bump. Give him a little bump. Here. Oh. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to bump the client. That's not nice. The hole ready?
Think we should put a little more?
Let's look. Tony,
Yeah.
best truck ever?
Best truck ever.
Absolutely.
Sorry.
That's all right. That's all right. You know, sometimes it's just real that way.
Yeah.
It's just real sometimes. You know, you might get yourself into a situation after you do this. You might start serving margaritas out here. Otherwise, people will be like, "Well, dude, you advertise it as if there would be margaritas here."
Yeah. You should. Margarita.
On the ocean. Not often I get to drive a big crane truck right on the bluff of the ocean. Look at this. This is simply awesome. Look at that. Wow. What a day too, huh? Well, where are these holes? I'm supposed to be getting near. I think I overshot it. You don't want to overshoot it too much here because you'll end up in the Pacific Ocean. All right, take a look at that wing. Oh my. Oh, look at the next one coming. That's definitely overhead surf right there. Oh, peeling offshore breeze. You just climb down the cliff and surf right here. Forget Ocean Beach. And that's what Tony's place looked like before the palm trees. And there you go. Another successful job. Golden Gate Palms. Right on the Pacific Ocean. Gorgeous. Oh wait. Check it out. How lucky was that? There's some timing. So yeah, if you want to ride horses in San Francisco, right on the ocean, there's only one place to go. And that's here. Oceanview Stables. And there they go. Riding off into the sunset, living the dream. And look at that. They're going down there, have some gorgeous views. And today they came on a good day because the view is just a little bit better because of those palm trees. Wait, I know that guy. Oh, yep, I know that guy. Oh,
Hey, Gary.
I owe you a shovel
Oh, right.
and a handshake.
You're the man.
Thanks for
Thank
the
you.
job.
Thank you.
What do you
Thank
think?
I am absolutely stoked and excited. I can't wait. And we're gonna do a lot more also.
We got these ones right here lying in the view to the ocean. And off in the yonder distance, we've got the two big ones at the front of the entrance. Now all you have to say, Tony, is tell the people, look for the big tall palm trees and the stables.
Provided to us by Golden Gate Palms.
You got to stand out from the competition, all the other horse
right.
stables on the ocean in San Francisco.
Exactly.
Right.
You know, there's so many of them that
Right,
I
that's
needed
right.
something to
That's
separate.
right. So is this something you would recommend, like all the people out there that are trying to buy fixer-upper horse stables on the Pacific Ocean in San Francisco?
Yes.
Would you recommend them to hire Golden Gate Palms for their palm tree needs?
100%.
All right.
100%. No doubt.
So you heard it here. Anybody that wants to like buy stables on the Pacific Ocean in San Francisco, give me a call.
That's
I'll take
right.
care of you. And we're gonna do another video, and we're gonna do the horse ride thing. That's what we're gonna be doing right there. Tony's coming with us, he said.
Definitely.
And
I'll
then
be on that ride.
and then we'll show you guys what it's all about.
All right.